Hello friends and Merry Christmas. I originally wanted to post a holiday roast and toast today, but I haven't heard from Tyler in 3 weeks, so I don't know if it's still going to happen. This is the voice of Future Lore! Tyler and I were able to record a winter holiday roast and toast, so that video will come out December 24th, and I'm posting this video a little bit early, so instead of this being a replacement for that video, it is now an additional video. Yay! Woo! So please check in again December 24th and onwards for that video. So instead of a roast and toast, we're doing compliments for Christmas. I am going to go through the Lovely Lore video tag and just compliment your chords and check them out and talk about them in my Fixing Coordinates series and my React series. I give a lot of constructive criticism, which is good, but today we're gonna have no criticism at all, just nice things, just positivity, and we're gonna have some fun. Hopefully this will also introduce you to some more Lolitas that you can follow and maybe inspire new coordinates. I use the Lovely Lore video hashtag for any time that I need a reference of some sort for videos. Like for my headpieces video, I needed some references of like head arrangements. And so it's really helpful anytime you post a Lolita coordinate, no matter what it is, if you are comfortable with me potentially using it in a video, please use the hashtag lovelylorvideo, because you never know, I might, like there was a day when I needed punk references, and there's days when I need all sorts of things, and I want to know that I'm using sources that people are okay with me sharing them and using them in videos. I have already done a video like this before, but I think I should go to most recent so that I don't end up going through some of the same ones. But I'm so loud! I had to see this Toast Chan coordinate because it's so cute. Oh my gosh, she looks so good in like this gray wig with this red color together. It's so cute. Is this recent? This looks like a Halloween-y type cord. Oh yeah, this is from like 8 weeks ago. Why is it showing me? I guess this is top and not most recent. Toast Chan is also a Lolita YouTuber. You should definitely check out her channel and her coordinates on Instagram. Okay, so let's go to recent and hopefully not get blasted with music. Is this a thing? I'm so confused because Pastel Nightmare and Honey Cake are both doing the same pose? Is this a new meme? Is this a new trend? On Wednesdays we wear pink. Frilly side starting to... Is this a coincidence or is this... They're both posted today. It doesn't seem to be connected. Wow. I'm so curious about this pose. Both of you look so cute. Both wearing pink and they're both doing the same pose. Weird. Please tell me if that is a coincidence or if that was intentional. What is this print? It's so cute. Gingerbread House, August Maiden Gingerbread House. Is it a Taobao print? I really like it. The colors are like so nice. What is Pastel Nightmare wearing? Pastel Nightmare's wearing I think it's an AP. Yeah, Shadow Dream Carnival from Angelic Pretty. It's a solid color print, but I think that there's like detailing in the lace. Yeah. If eglfashion was also doing the same pose and it was just all the same pose on the same day, I was gonna start tripping out. Oh, Country of Sweets. I used to own Country of Sweets and I sold it, and I think that I regret it. It's really cute. It just gives me a lot of nostalgia and makes me really happy looking at Country of Sweets. I think I want to rebuy it again. The design of it, the art, I would love to just like have artwork of it somewhere. I love this blouse with it too. It's very like whimsical and bakery like. This post is in Russian. Let's see. Crinolines are somehow very comfortable. It's warm outside and not hot indoors. I wish all places in the trolley bus would be sidelined? I don't know if that translation was correct. I haven't worn Lolita outside since it snowed. I wore this dress actually to review it the day before it started snowing, but I really want to get some Lolita winter snow pictures. I was actually looking through coats today on Lace Market and Closet Child because I kind of want a new Lolita winter coat. Oh, this bear look. Do you bears appreciate this bear look? I love how this almost feels like an interpretation of Kuma Kumya. Like, it's a simple chord, and it kind of reads like Kuma Kumya, like with a brown bow at the neck, just like Kuma Kumya. It's really, really cute. I love this blouse. Is this 2 blouses? Oh no, it's just one, but it's like scrunched here and then like poofs. It's really nice. It's very flattering. Pastel-hearted Lolita is repping short hair with Lolita. We love to see it. This is so cute. I really love the balance of the headband and then the bow on the side with your haircut. It looks great. Please keep it up. If you're not following Killer Show, or I'm trying to remember all of their usernames, Amy Bob on YouTube, Eggy Nut on Twitter, I think also Killer Show on TikTok. I don't know. I'm gonna put all of their social media here. If you're not following them, you really should be, because their Twitter is such a source of confidence for me. Like, they just exude like positivity, confidence, happiness. They talk about important issues. Their coordinates are always really cute. They share so many plus size resources, and they're just wonderful. You should follow them. Here's all of the stuff, please. In this post, they are being rebellious in regards to tea parties. Like, this year we've kind of done away with the need for like fancy footwear because we're indoors all the time, which I totally agree with. I was trying to look for full coordinate shots of this year to do a TikTok of like each month, and most of my cords are like from here up. I mean, even right now I'm just wearing slippers. My Daiso bear slippers that my parents sent me have really come through this year. Aristokyla? I love this coordinate and I love your hair. I really want boots. I really want Sweet Lolita boots so badly, and I've seen this dress on different Taobao sites for sale, but it makes me so happy to see it actually being worn and styled. Your hair looks so cool with it, and I really want these boots. And I love that you have incorporated pink in with yellow, whereas it's like a solid yellow print. It's really neat when you take a base color and then blend it with another color. Oh, what is this dress? Queen Marceline. I've never seen this dress before. There's like a bear on it and it's spooky, and there's like curtains, and I love this like frill. It's an Alice in the Pirates dress. I gotta look this up. I like that this blouse is shiny, which is strange. It's like, I don't know what material this would be, like satin maybe? But it's really nice with this cord. This would be a really hard blouse to style with other pieces, but it works so well because it almost emulates like what curtains would look like. This is so cute, and I love your hair. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a handmade shirt. That's even cooler. What the heck? That's talent. I'm loving Birdie Fashion's brown cords with this blue hair. I never would have thought to put those colors together, but I'm really into it. Maybe I should get a blue wig. This is so cute. How does this work? Like, there's serious science, outfit styling science in this. Whoa! Oh, this headpiece is so beautiful, and this my brain just broke. This JSK is so pretty. I love this headpiece. I love everything about this coordinate. It's like the perfect Christmas coordinate. I love your hair so much. It's so like thought out and well balanced. I love this headpiece. I have the same Target Christmas ornament crown. It is so good. You fit a lot on your headpiece, but it looks really well balanced. And I really want to get a sweater like this. I love how these cardigans look with Lolita. It's really like cozy and cute. And I really like that because the print is really busy, but this like color blocked cardigan balances it out really nicely. It works so well. Oh my gosh, and all the accessories are so cute. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. This is like making me want to like Christmas. And on that day, the Grinch's heart grew 3 sizes. Yeah, wow, this is really incredible. I don't even know what to say. I just keep scrolling through all of them. I hope that you have a wonderful winter and an excellent winter holiday or Christmas if you celebrate it. Please feel free to go show these Lolitas some love and support and continue the compliments in the comments. And as always, stay lovely.